Every cloud breach starts with a credential that lived too long. Vault kills that primitive. HashiCorp Vault from zero. One line. Vault is an open source secrets management plus PKI plus transit encryption platform, originally by HashiCorp, now part of IBM, still actively developed, Community Edition, Enterprise, and HCP Vault SaaS. The problem it solves: every service needs credentials, database, cloud, API keys, long-lived secrets, sit in environment variables, in config files, in Git repos. One leak equals permanent access. How Vault wins: dynamic secrets, Vault mints short-TTL credentials, on demand, database user for 30 minutes, AWS access key for 1 hour, PKI cert for 1 day, all expire automatically. The surface: KV store for static secrets, dynamic database backends, dynamic cloud IAM backends, PKI-as-a-service, transit encryption-as-a-service, plus auth methods, AppRole, Kubernetes, OIDC, LDAP, tokens. Architecture: Vault server, storage backend, Consul, Raft, or cloud key value, auto-unseal via AWS KMS, GCP KMS, Azure Key Vault, audit backends, all the layers, split cleanly. Who ships it? Cloudflare, Roblox, GitHub, Adobe, Comcast, and every serious cloud-native platform team. If you run production and handle secrets, you probably run Vault. Dynamic secrets versus static secrets. Static: sit forever, get leaked, grant permanent access. Dynamic: get minted, expire in minutes, get audited. That difference is the whole point. Ties to today's story. EP86 Amgen breach came through a third-party cloud vendor. If credentials in that environment had been Vault-issued short-TTL dynamic, the attacker's window closes after minutes, not forever. The whole model: dynamic secrets, unified API, audit everything, 3 pillars, plus auto-unseal, plus a policy language. That's Vault. Every allow or deny, every credential issuance, logged and signed. Recap: 3 concepts: dynamic secrets, unified API, audit everything, plus auto-unseal, plus a policy language. That's HashiCorp Vault, free, open source, BSL license, enterprise and SaaS available, already in your platform. Probably follow Honest Tech Takes every day.